In this Pipeflow mini video, we will be talking about tank geometry and how we can specify that in the property grid. As you can see here, we have just a basic tank on our flow sheet. And if we come over to the property grid, we have our geometry tank design option. And you can see now it is unspecified. But if we double click on this, it'll bring up our tank geometry dialog box. And we can click on the drop down and see all of the options for specifying tank geometry. With spherical, we simply enter a diameter and it will calculate a total volume for us. Rectangular, we would enter length, width, and height, and it would also give us the total volume. When we arrive at the cylindrical horizontal and cylindrical vertical options, we have the additional feature of specifying left and right head geometry from the drop down. And you can see here we have several options of different kinds of geometry to add. And if we specify some numbers for this, you can see it will calculate a total volume, just as with the other varieties of geometry. Finally, we can come to the custom option, and this will be for your custom tank shapes, any non-standard tank shapes that you may have. You can see it's giving us an error, telling us our curve must have at least 2 points. So if we specify 2 points here, just make up some numbers, enter those, you can see it's giving us a total volume for our non-standard tank type. And we can specify various volume units or level units to view our tank in. If we just go back to the spherical, we can specify the unit there as well. And if we hit OK, you can see here in the property grid, our geometry has been added to our tank specifications, and we can continue with our model.